is Rebecca Suomala with New Hampshire Audubon. I'm looking at some interesting birds on the lawn here. And there are 19 of them where I'm watching. There are a couple there. More here. You can see them. A couple more. Now let's see if we can zoom in on these. There we go. See the red on the back of the head? And that, oh, you can hear it? And then there's a black band on the breast. It's got spots on the breast too. Oh, there's that red. Brownish on the back. Long, heavy bill poking into the ground. You can see a black band a little bit better now. And the spots on the breast. There's a black stripe on the face too. That's called a malar line. That's your quiz. What are these birds? I'll give you a hint. It's our only woodpecker that feeds on the ground like this in New England. Oh, look at that nice group of them. Oh, did you see that one fly by with the white? White on its rump. That's one of its key field marks. Oh, maybe another one will fly. And we can see that a little bit better. Blue jay just gave an alarm call, so they're all looking up. Oh, now back to feeding. Have you guessed what they are yet? Well, have the answer in the description.